Every day in Addis begins quietly, with a breath, a warmth, a promise rising with the light. Two hearts wake in different corners of the city. Some journeys start with a cup of coffee. Some with footsteps searching for meaning. Some with eyes lifted toward distant horizons. There are moments when the city pauses, a prayer whispered into stillness, a heartbeat grounding us, a softness reminding us that we all carry the same human thread. And when paths cross, not by chance, but by the gentle rhythm of the day, something opens, a guide becomes a storyteller, a stranger becomes a friend, and the city begins to show its hidden heart. Addis Ababa is a place of quiet connections, where cultures meet without noise, where warmth is shared without asking, where the simplest gesture becomes an invitation. And then the day gathers speed, history echoing through streets, colors rushing past, dreams unfolding in motion. The city becomes a rhythm, steps, stories, light. 1,000 lives intersecting for a heartbeat. This is the pulse of travel, the wonder, the discovery, the feeling that every corner is waiting to reveal something only you can see. We are different only until we meet. And once we meet, we belong.